How to connect a fake Apple Watch Ultra to a Samsung phone with either Android 14, 15, or Android 16. Let's go ahead and get started. So before you do anything with your Samsung phone, you first want to make sure that this Apple Watch Ultra, this copied version, you have the Bluetooth settings on. So if you have one very similar to this here, you are going to press on this button right here. And while you're on the clock face or anywhere in the menu section, press on this button here and you're going to get these settings here. Now, while you're here, you are going to browse over until you see this icon right here, the one that has that phone icon right there. You'll tap on it one time. This is going to enable the Bluetooth for the smartwatch itself, okay? And now on your Samsung phone, what you're going to do is go into the settings of the Bluetooth itself. So go ahead into the quick access, you'll look for Bluetooth, long press it, and go to details right there. When you're in the details section, it is going to be searching for nearby devices. You're going to see Apple Watch Ultra, and if you don't see it there for some reason by this point here, that's probably because it's either not on the Bluetooth or connected to another item, okay? So just go ahead and unpair it. But then when you see it here, tap on it one time, it's going to say pairing, okay? And just make sure the screen is on like this for the watch. If you don't see it show up here, press pair, and it's gonna show you that it is connected for calls and audio. So this is just going among using the basic connection features of the fake Apple Watch. And you can go into the settings for a Samsung phone and you'll see that it's gonna look something like this here. Now, just in case you wanted to know about the app, the copy watch here has a app for it, and you're just gonna go here and look for this little icon right here, and it's gonna give you this QR code that you can scan, and it'll take you to the specific app that you can use with this watch in particular. And of course, if this guide helped you in any way, like and sub.